Greetings everyone, and welcome to the Jeremy Vanny YouTube channel. In this video, we will take a closer look at the EVBASE Tesla Model 3Y phone holder, navigation, anti-shake phone mount. For Tesla Model 3 and Y owners, having a secure and reliable phone holder is essential to ensure a seamless driving experience. EVBASE has introduced the Tesla Model 3Y phone holder navigation anti-shake phone mount, which aims to provide a stable and easy to install solution for drivers. This video will examine the features of this phone mount and evaluate its usability and effectiveness. The EVBASE Tesla Model 3Y phone holder is designed for Tesla Model 3 and Model Y vehicles produced between 2017 to 2023. I found the installation process to be very simple, requiring no tools and just a few seconds of installation. The anti-slip base is designed to slide into the left side of your dashboard, providing a secure fit without rattling. Additionally, the mount does not require stickers or suction cups, minimizing potential damage to the vehicle's interior. The phone holder incorporates a triangle central bracing design intended to keep the phone's center of gravity stable. By sliding the phone into the mount, it is meant to stay firmly in place even during bumps and sudden stops. The EVBASE Tesla Model 3Y phone holder is designed to be compatible with a variety of smartphones, with sizes ranging from 4 inches to 7.2 inches. It can be easily installed or removed without causing inconvenience to the driver. The adjustable joint enables users to customize the viewing angle for their preference. Also, the phone holder includes a cable slot to facilitate charging while the phone is mounted. In conclusion, the EVBASE Tesla Model 3Y phone holder navigation anti-shake phone mount offers various features such as a straightforward installation process, stability, compatibility with a range of smartphones, and user-friendly design elements. As a phone holder designed for Tesla Model 3 and Y owners, it seeks to provide a practical solution without causing damage to the vehicle's interior. Before making a purchase decision, it is essential to consider the overall effectiveness and usability of the phone mount in comparison to other available options on the market. I personally have decided to swap out my old phone mount for this one due to its ease of use and understated, unobtrusive design. That's all for this video. You can find links to the product below. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Safe travels.